Oh, boy, a choo-choo. Woo! 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 That tickles. Choo-choo.
Slimer! This is not for clowning around. This is an exact replica of a classic Hudson steam locomotive.
Replica? Ooh, did I broke it?
No, just needs a little cleaning. And so do I.
Sorry, Winston.
Ah, forget it, Spud, but hands off the train, okay?
Okay, hands off.
But you can wear this.
Hey, hello, Winston.
Where's the car, Peter?
Penn Station. Description sounds like a Class 5. It's haunting one of the steam engines.
Somebody's pulling your leg, man.
What do you mean?
What in the world?
Guys? I may not know much about trains, but that's not the Penn Station that was here this morning.
It sure isn't. And where'd Madison Square Garden go?
Actually, Peter, this is Penn Station, or rather a perfect facsimile.
What are you talking about?
Egon's right. It is Penn Station, the original Penn Station. They tore it down in 1963 to make room for Madison Square Garden and a smaller train station.
Weird. We have to bust the grouper that did this and get the garden back. I've got tickets to Saturday's hockey game.
Wow. Would you look at this place?
My aunt brought me here when I was a kid. I thought it was big then, but I never saw it empty.
Yeah, creepy. Creepy.
This is extremely curious. The call indicated the Class 5, like Slimer. Precisely. No Class 5 ghost could have brought back Penn Station.
Man, I don't believe this. A genuine Hudson. Isn't it a beauty?
Looks brand new.
But what's it doing here?
First things first. We still haven't figured out what here is doing.
It appears to be real.
Sounds real, too.
I see Penn Station, and I see an old steam locomotive. So where's the ghost?
Better question. Who's gonna pay us for this job?
You fellas the Ghostbusters? Thought you might like to know ghosts in the caboose.
Hey, who shut that?
Hang on, I've got a flashlight here somewhere. Here it is. Holy cow!
Uh-oh. I know that signal. It means we're leaving.
Not me. I'm not going anywhere.
Wow! This old Colbert is fast!
Too fast. No train can accelerate like this.
This one does. Welcome aboard, Ghostbusters. Any questions?
Who are you?
Where are we going?
Why are we going there?
And most important, do we get those little bags of smoked almonds like on airplanes?
Yeah, do we, huh?
I am the player. I play games for very high stakes. Incredible. This meter can register any ghost up to a Class 10. I'm in a class by myself, Dr. Spengler.
Class dismissed, player. Zap 'em!
Oh, that was a good one. I love it. I love all games. They are my reason to exist. And my newest game is playing with trains. Real trains. The one you're on now. But alas, for my train set to be complete, it needs real trees, real mountains, real buildings, and real people. So, I came up with a wonderful plan. The first people to populate my little train world will be you.
Sorry, Charlie, but we already have day jobs.
Fear not. I am a sporting ghost, so I'm going to offer you a sporting proposition. If you can make your way from this caboose up to the engine and stop the train before it enters the tunnel to my ghost world, then you're free to go. Play along and you stand a chance. You have 30 minutes.
That's all, ghosts.
short and to the point. I give it a thumbs up.
Thumbs down.
Well, shall we see what's behind door number 1?
Man, it's a jungle out there.
Not a jungle, Winston. Merely a swamp.
Stinky swamp.
These train cars must be interdimensional containment units.
Yeah, with bad plumbing.
Keep an eye out for the player's game. Remember, he said play along and we stand a chance.
Yeah, monster! Monster! Big monster! Froggy. Big Froggy. Sorry, Winston.
Good call, Spud. Keep an eye out for pollywogs, too.
Buzz off, Froggy! Monster! Monster!
Yeah, right, Slider.
That wasn't a rivet, was it?
Run, Ray, run!
Tag! You're it!
It's one of the player's games. Ray has to tag the monster back in order to win.
Catch me!
That monster is designed to play tag. This won't be easy.
Oh, come on, Egon. Loosen up, will ya? How hard can it be to play tag?
Does that answer your question?
Yeah, and it also gives me an idea. Huddle up. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Okay, let's play.
Huh?
Tag, you're it.
You're it, Ray!
Oh, no. You're it, Winston.
Oh, not me. Peter's it.
I hate being it.
Can I play too? Can I play?
Sure.
You're it. What? No!
I can't stand a sore loser.
It worked. By winning, we opened the way to the next game.
Swell. Wonder what this one's gonna be. Tar pits? A sewage treatment plant?
I don't know, but we have less than 10 minutes left.
Then let's discover the joys and toys behind door number 2.
Wowie, wow, wow! Fairyland!
Well, if this is Fairyland, you can bet the fairies are armed and dangerous.
Ooh, look at all the stuff!
Hey, what's that noise?
Gonna rain?
Hit the dirt!
What kind of dumb game is this?
Well, I'll be.
Pinball. We're inside a giant pinball machine.
Beat this score. Oh, great. We have to beat 1,000,000 points. And we only have 100 points.
Oh, no!
So what do we do?
Just leave it to me. I used to shred pinball. Egon, go to the high bumper. Ray, take the low one. Wait until the ball comes at you, then jump. Good. Now, Peter, head for the far bumper.
Come on, Baldy. Give me your best shot.
Slimer!
What?
Quick, slime the floor between you and Peter. We're doing it!
Wicked Winston Zedmore, the new pinball wizard.
Hustle! We're almost out of time.
Hang on, guys. I'm stopping this baby.
Oh, terrific. We're still playing games.
Congratulations. I never thought you'd make it this far, Ghostbusters. Unfortunately, time is running out, and you need a jackpot to stop the train. And you only stand a ghost of a chance.
Let me try.
Gotta let a man do it, Ray.
Man. No, a man shouldn't do it. Slimer should do it. He's the key.
I'm a ghost.
Exactly. Pull the handle.
Jackpot! Jackpot! Jackpot!
Jackpot! Jackpot! Jackpot! You won this time, Ghostbusters. But someday we'll play again.
We made it! We're alive!
And we're live!
So when the player said we only had a ghost of a chance, he was telling us that only a ghost, like Slimer, could win.
Hey, don't leave home without one.
Speaking of the Spud, he sure is having fun playing with your train, Winston.
Least I could do for him.
Where exactly is Slimer?
Where else?
The dining car.
Hi, guys.